Hello all, just Paul with an update on what's happening with the GEC model. Well, the front faceplate's been painted. I'm quite happy with it. In cold and frosty Melbourne weather conditions. We can see there the finish is, I believe, better than factory. It's certainly a lot thicker. All you will see on the front panel are the rings around each of the controls. All that bumpiness in there is the adhesive. I didn't need to get that off. But the main important part is on this little part here, getting the paint into all the little spots. And I dropped the gun pressure down to 8 psi to get into those crevices. But I'm very happy with the outcome here. And the controls all came up really nice and well. All right. The buttons turned out absolutely superb, considering that they were very, very damaged on this particular radio. But I'm happy with that. Okay. Because of the cold, I had to use a higher gun pressure today. I was running at about 18 to 20 psi. I've consumed 1 bottle of stainless steel in the acrylic. I've used half a bottle of premium thinners, and I've gone through half a jar of flat clear. The Mr. Finisher Surfacer 1500 in grey. I've gone through nearly half a can of that to give you some idea. That's what it takes to paint this stuff, and I use a compressor and a water gun feed systems, as I mentioned in the previous videos. But anyway, enjoying it. I'm about to reassemble this particular radio, and it's close to being finished and to present to you guys. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching. This is Pull It Apart Paul. Please comment and subscribe. Okay all, sorry about the noise in the background. I've been doing a bit of FT8. That's what I do when I come into the garage. Alright, what have I done here? I've put 2 flat green LEDs in here, rectangular ones, and I've used a 320 ohm resistor on each. I've run them to the positive pads through the on and off, and created a pad over here for the negative. Alright, let's see, this is the result. Much brighter. Alright, so that means there's 4 lights now in there. Alright, I'll start assembling that now. Okay, so when I'm putting things back in the panels, I'm using a double-sided clear tape, and that's the product that I use. So it's picture framers use it, and the lights is just a very, very thin double-sided tape. What I'm going to do now is start putting double-sided tape on parts that need to go back on, and get them ready for the faceplate, including the faceplate. Okay, the reassembly parts have now had double-sided tape put on them on the back with the name plate, the steel one. I bent that straight, put double-sided on the thicker edge. We've got the slide RF gain control felt back, and the front panel there. Right. I'll start assembling the faceplate. Okay, front faceplate's fitted, perspex is back in and polished, and inlay is back in. I put the felt behind the screen here. It's just waiting on the buttons now, and I'll start working on that now. Thank you. Okay, I've got the microphone fitted, the panel's back on, screws, covers, it's all done. The only thing that I need to do is put in the black direction component, but I need to do that when the radio is finished. Alright, just going to do a quick turn on. There we go. A lot brighter than the original GE after putting those extra couple of LEDs. It's not perfect, but it's still far above the radios that you find in the marketplace. This is a really nice radio inside now. It obviously needs to warm up a bit too.
Cold and shit. Catch you later, Fred. Tommy? G'day, Con. How you going, mate? Yeah, good. And yourself? Yeah, not bad. I just come back from a massage. I went and got an hour of deep tissue. No happy ending, just deep tissue. Oh, good. Isn't it good when you get a great massage?
Okay, so this is the final result of all the work today. It's probably the best match that I've had on the last 7 C models that I've done. It's actually matching the nameplate a lot better. I've normally gone a tiny bit lighter, but I've only done that because that's how it was with the radios that I've got. So I don't even think that the factory was spot on with a lot of this stuff. Alright, that's your lot. 6 months it's taken me to do this one. Remember, comment, like and subscribe. Thank you.